Okay, so these are my chapter 10 test corrections. The first one I got wrong was number 3, which is write the equation of a parabola with the vertex at the origin and directrix at y equals 5. And I had written 120x squared, and I just forgotten the negative sign. So that's number 3. Number 4 is use the graph to write the equation, and I had done y equals 1/16 x squared, and when I did that I forgot to take the square root of it, so it's really y equals 1/4 x squared. The next one was identify the focus and directrix of y equals -1/12 x squared. And I had gotten the focus and directrix right, but I needed to write an equation. And so it's 1 over 4c, and 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So it's 1 times -3, 1 over -3 times 4. So that's the equation. Number 6 was find the focus and directrix of the graph 1/8 x minus 2 squared plus 5. You have to take, for number 6, you have to take, you have to take this, so the vertex would be 2, 5, and then the focus is 4, 2, instead of 0, 2, because it did that, and then directrix is 4. Number 7 is identify the vertex and focus and directrix of the graph x squared minus 8x minus 28y minus 124 equals 0. So over here, I did, you have to subtract the incorrect, or the odd sign. So it's 28y equals x squared minus 8x minus 124, and then you complete the square for that. And if you add 16 on this side, you have to add the 16 on that side. So it's 28y equals x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 124 minus 16. Then you divide the whole thing by 28. So it'd be y equals 1/28 x minus 4 squared minus 5. And then the vertex would be -5, 4. And the focus would be 0, 4, and the directrix would be 4. Then for number 22, for find the ellipse, the foci are 2, -0, -2, 0. And I had just gotten enough point off because I forgot to flip the thing, so it's x squared over 9 and then y squared over 25. And the same thing happened with 23. It should be x minus 3 squared over 9 and y plus 3 squared over 36. And then number 24 is the graph of the equation x squared minus 2x minus 16y squared plus 64y equals 463 is translated 3 units right and 5 units up. Write the new equation. And I did the whole thing, but I had forgotten to, I'd written 468 instead of 463. And so then down here, that would be 463. And when you divide it, it would come out to be 28.9. So that's what happened with number 24.